ಹಾಯ್ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಕನ್ನಡ ಫಿಲ್ಮಾಲಜಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಸ್ಟೆಫಿ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಲವ್ಲಿ ಚಿತ್ರದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಳನ್ನ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ, ಬನ್ನಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಹಾಯ್, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹಲೋ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ನೀವು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಫೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾಡ್ದು ಇನ್ನು 2-3 ಡೇಸ್ ಇದೆ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ?
ಇವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಇಮೋಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ತುಂಬ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಶ್ಯೂರ್, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನರ್ವಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 2 years, almost 3 years it's been on the film, and after 2 days it is releasing. So but ತುಂಬ excited for people of Karnataka to watch Lovely. So yeah, fingers crossed.
What are your expectations in 2-3 days?
If I put my mind in too much expectations, I will not, like, nan sleep illa, like that I am too much tension. So I think I'm not expecting much. It's just that because this film has come out, Lovely has come out really lovely. Yeah. So I am just hoping that people loves the film as much as they have loved the trailer. Like trailer janake tumbane ishta, everybody is loving it, such nice things they're saying. So I think I wish the same way they love the film also.
Okay, what's your role in the Lovely?
So ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಈ ಫಿಲ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಜನನಿ ಅಂತ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಜನನಿ ಈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಶಿಷ್ಠ ಸರ್ ಹೆಸರು ಜೈ. ಸೊ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ದ ಕೋರ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಲವ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಸ್ ಜೈ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಜನನೀಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್. ಸೊ ಈ ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್, ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ನಮಗೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಅದೃಷ್ಟ ದಟ್ ಐ ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಡೆಬ್ಯೂ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್. Janani goes through this so much emotions in the film. ತುಂಬ emotional character, and everybody will be able to connect to Janani. So she's just like any other Kannada hudgi. You'll find Janani like your own person. So that's the character.
Yeah, so it was your first debut movie in Kannada. So how was your experience?
ನನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಅದ್ಭುತ. ಲೈಕ್ ತುಂಬ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಲೈಕ್ ಇವಾಗ ಐ ಫೀಲ್ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಟೀಮ್, ಅಭುವನಸ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್, ದೇ ಟ್ರೀಟೆಡ್ ಮೈ ಲೈಕ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ I think I've said everywhere that Karnataka ನನಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮನೆ, because they've treated me like family, and I feel like this Kannada ಹುಡುಗಿ now, because I've been attached to the whole state of Karnataka so much. Like ನನಗೆ ಫುಡ್ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು, around wherever I'm going, it's really nice, the cultures. So I think whole experience has been like ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು.
ಅಂದರೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಡೆಬ್ಯೂ ಮೂವಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್. ಬಟ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ. ಬಟ್ ಎಸ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ ಜರ್ನಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್. ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಝೀರೋ. So and in my film Janani has so many dialogues, like monologues, and because it's one of the central characters. So I used to ask my script before, read it while going to the bed. I used to sit and read my script, then go to sleep with the script, wake up with the script. Once I wake up first, I'll read my script, then get fresh, go to sets. Also I'll be like in the script, and like I don't know what's happening. Only before shot, before like roll camera action, they will call me like, okay Steffi ma'am, bunny. But till then I'll be with the script. Entire direction department would help me with the language. So yeah, process ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ learning Kannada.
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಹೇಳೋದು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ, ಅಥವಾ ಹೌ ಯು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಡ್?
So like I said, ನನಗೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್, like acting is, I worship, like dharma, it's like that for me. And now that I'm acting in Kannada, so again learning Kannada, and so basically when people around would talk Kannada, I'll just sit, listen to everybody. Okay, how will I'll watch everybody secretly. Okay, accent modulation, the way they are speaking, all that I'll try to learn. And with the dialect, I'll read my script some 50-60 times, so that I get the words right, underline, write the meaning. Okay, I'll cut the words. For example, mata dakke sa mata. Okay, that's how, like, I'll cut the words, mata, then dakke, then that's how I learned one word in Kannada to get the speaking right. So that's like huge, ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ process.
ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ರಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಇರೋರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನ ಯಾವ ತರ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು?
Like, I've worked really hard. Even now also promotions are going, they've been trailer launch, and I've been trying to Kannada kalita idini, yes, but trying to speak maximum Kannada, especially in the the public press meets and all of that. So people feel connected, like yeah, she's, and people are appreciating me a lot. So that is motivating me to learn more and more.
Yeah, okay. Next question, which is your favorite thing to do in Bangalore?
Favorite thing to do in Bangalore? One thing about Bangalore is Bangalore weather ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಇಷ್ಟ. ತುಂಬಾ it is sunny, and then 1 hour it's raining, and then my favorite thing is to, after after work admele, I'll go down and go for a walk around in Bangalore on the streets, because I love the weather so much. That's my favorite thing to do.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಲವ್ಲಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ವೆದರು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ?
Bangalore, like, for sure, it's feeling like my money right now, because ತುಂಬಾ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಡ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ to the city like Bangalore, because I've been here, like, lovely journey has been so long in Bangalore. I used to, like, every long schedules happen in Bangalore, and right now I don't know, it's only my parents are not here, but other than that it's all like very homely feeling.
Your teen Miss Teen International and ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಆಯಿತು? ಐ ಮೀನ್ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬಂದ್ರಿ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ?
So my school ಆದಮೇಲೆ I participated in this competition, Miss Teen India, and after winning I represented India internationally. So finale happened in Thailand, so I won Miss Teen International. So I title win ಆದಮೇಲೆ got, like, lot of people recognized me a lot. Okay, Sefi Patel, and that too nange hometown Jharkhand, so like very small city I come from, Hazaribagh. So that was a really big thing. So after that, while I was studying my college English literature, I started giving a lot of auditions for ad films and brands. Like, my first ad was for Google. Yeah. That's how I started working in ads, and also started auditioning for different projects. So that's how I auditioned for my first film, happened in Telugu. So I went down, I auditioned, so there I got finalized, and then admele Telugu, then Tamil and Hindi. So after that, then I started working down south also, and I got to know these languages, all different industries. So Telugu had happened, Tamil had happened, and then I really wanted to do Kannada also. I was like hoping that I get to debut in Kannada soon, and with Lovely it's happening. So ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ.
ನಿಮಗೆ, ಐ ಮೀನ್, ಹೌ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲವ್ಲಿ?
So I was in Bombay actually shooting for something, and my management team called Martini that there's this film called Lovely, it's a Kannada film, and Chetan sir, ನಮ್ಮ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ, he had called him, and ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ synopsis. I spoke to him on phone and I said that, sir, it's looking very interesting. So what next? So he said, you have to come to Bangalore, do your audition. We want to take your audition. And so I came down to Bangalore. I did my audition. Did one look test for the whole day. So gave me one scene, like one of the most very emotional scenes from Lovely. So he gave me the script and it was all Kannada and I was like, sir, I don't know the language right. And he's like, no, ma'am, we have to see if you can speak the language also because it's very important for us. So I gave that audition and the audition admele sir was like, yeah, I can see my Janani in you. So that's how they finalized and nange script, I was like very excited when he narrated me Lovely. I was like, wow, this is so good, like such a soulful love story with wholesome family entertainer. At the same time, so many graphs to it. It's just not like one simple love story, not like that, but a lot of things in the film. So yeah, that's how they, after audition, they said yes, that we like you and we want you to work in our film. And even I love the script, so that's how Lovely happened.
ವಸಿಷ್ಠ ಸಿಂಹ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ನಟನೆ ಮಾಡಿ, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಸೇ ಅಬೌಟ್?
So when I signed the film, and I knew it was Vashishta sir who was acting. So our ಬೇರೆ cinemas ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ and his look used to be so raw, rugged and like villain and all of that. So ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಭಯ, like before I got to sets. But film Ali worked with him. He's so nice. I mean, yes, now wherever we go for promotion, everybody's like, voice like super fan and this and that, and really it's just so different and nice. And he sings so well. He sung in the film of the Baisi Baisi. He sang. It's like so good. He sings. So Vashishta sir to act my Tini was really good. Like I am grateful that first film Ali I got to work with him. So much I learned from him. They've helped me so much. Like Vashishta sir used to be my teacher so many times. Like script, I would sit and he would help me. Like, okay, tell me what is it? What's your problem? So this one, okay. Like that we had, like other than Jai Janani chemistry, we also had this student-teacher chemistry. So yeah, it was good, very great working with him.
How was the first interaction with Vashishta sir?
First interaction, I was very, I don't know why, but like tumba nervous, tumba sorpa scared I was. And first I met him in my test shoot, like when they were auditioning me. But I don't think that day we spoke much. First, I think on first day on sets when we met, and yeah, he was like, hi. So he was like, yes, hi sir. Like, okay, how is it going? Good sir, nice to meet you. Yeah, okay. Yeah, this is a tough character. So if you have any problem, you let me know. I said, yes sir, sure sir, okay. Thank you.
Your inner feeling?
I was very scared. I was very nervous. Like in general also, new film, when you sign new language, first 2-3 days you're anyway little, scared. It takes time to open up on set. And then that too, because I've known his image, and like that when I met him, I was just smiling, but internally I was like, yes, okay, thank you sir, see you. But we had scenes together. So, but after I think 2-3 days, I started having this normal conversation with him. Then it became very easy because then he made me so comfortable on set with the language and everything. So very helpful he's been.
ಲವ್ಲಿಗೂ ಮುಂಚೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Few of the films ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. Like recently ಕಾಂತಾರ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. Oh my god, Rishabh sir, ಸಖತ್ performance, wow, he's killed it in and KGF, of course, like entire nation is a fan. But recently I'm watching this film called Saptalo Sagara. Just a side A I finished already. Side B I've watched half because of my film promotions. I've like stopped it. Release admele I'll finish the film. But I'm really loving all the Kannada films because the soul, the emotion, like every film is, some is massy, some is love story, some is, different. But soul, backbone of the films are emotions. So I'm really loving that, you know, they're working on emotions, and even Lovely's backbone is again emotions. So uh, like audience ke like kandita connect ಆಗಿತ್ತು, like all the characters and the film also.
ಈ ಲವ್ಲಿ ಚಿತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಬೇಬಿ ಟು ದ ಎಲ್ಡ್ ಒನ್,
Grown up.
ಯಾ, ವಾಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಮೋಷನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೂವಿ?
So yes, like very rightly said, the audience for this film is like small magu to, you know, like our grandfathers and
Yeah.
grandmother. It will definitely be this emotional ride, because even if I just talk about my character Janani, like that every character has so many layers. So Janani is this girl, you know, sweet girl who goes to college. Dadmele she falls in love, and after that she gets married, and madve ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ she then gets pregnant, and then she has a child. So many stages of life with that. So many suspense surprises going parallelly in the film. So it will be a very emotional, happy, full of emotions ride for the audience, with definitely amazing songs. Music is a very plus point for our films. Visuals for people who like actions and fight, that is there. For people who are really attached to love stories, that is there. For family audience, for elder people, again, Dhatana is also in our film, and even Dhatana has a love story in the film. So that's a very cute element in the film. So I think we've tried to capture all kinds of audience for our film. Yeah, everybody is there. You can go with your whole family and sit like aram se and have a good time.
ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ರಿಷಬ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ರು. ಸೊ ರಿಷಬ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದರು? ರಿಷಬ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತು? ಆಮೇಲೆ ರಿಷಬ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದರು?
Oh yes, also because that I had watched Kantara recently, and ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ like who is the chief guest and all, and then just few hours one day before, my team was like, you know, who is the guest? Sarila, really? So they were like, Rishabh Shetty. I was like, oh wow, such a coincidence, because literally 1-2 days back I was talking about his performance with somebody, and so it was very special meeting him, and I got a chance to be on a stage, and stage only I said that nange Kantara.
Beside him is a...
Yeah, and then in front of him I could say, sir, I really want to work with you. So I think on the stage, I went on the stage and I was like, sir, I really wish that to get to work with you. It's like, yeah. So yeah, I mean, I think that day was a special day, because trailer launch day, plus Rishabh Shetty sir had launched the trailer, got to meet him, talk to him, and he really appreciated and wished for the film. So yeah, that's all nice.
Which is your favorite star in Kannada industry? Little bit difficult, but you can say.
Tumba difficult to pick up one, but I think I'm a really huge fan of rocking star Yash and Sudeep sir, both of them. So I think it'll be a dream come true if I get to work with them soon. Yeah. So yeah. So directors and producers, please do cast me in the film.
What is the most likely thing in Yash for?
The way how he, I mean, like I've not got to meet him in person for sure, but as an actor, when he comes on screen, it's like he breaks the screen. Like it's just him. Like what a screen presence, and the way he portrays his character. Plus, even in KGF, he had such a nice look to carry. Like he looked like that Rocky, and people went mad. Like it was like Rocky fever in the whole country that time. So yeah, he's amazing.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಮೂವಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ ಯಶ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು? ಐ ಮೀನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆಲ್ ಮೂವಿ ವಾಚ್?
I mean, recently I had after KGF, because of these promotions and all, last 3 months and I was shooting, but I've made a list of films to watch. Yeah, some clips I have seen from Yash sirs and his wife, what's his yes, Radhika. The few of their movies are in my list that I am yet to watch. So after Lovely, I'm like watching all of them for sure.
I'll give you few suggestions
Please
after
do that.
after the interview.
Yes, please
Okay.
do that.
Finally, about Lovely.
ಸೊ ಲವ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಜರ್ನಿ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಲವ್ಲಿ ಜೂನ್ 14ಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಜೊತೆ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಬಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನೋಡಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಮಾಡಿ.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇದು ಭಾಳ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು. ಖಂಡಿತ ಲವ್ಲಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹಿಟ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೊ ಮಚ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೊ ಮಚ್. ನೈಸ್.